Hey, hi, this is Manjuna Chandraya. Today's session we will be learning how to embed a file. Sometimes some Excel files will not able to embed the supportings. Whereas if you try the same into a new Excel workbook, you are able to embed the file. But sometimes to a particular file, Excel file, we not be able to embed the file. So how to enable that? So example, so this is the say this is some data or reconciliation where I need to embed a Excel file. So we go to insert, object, create a file from. Okay, open this. Let me set the path of this file. Okay, now there is a monthly file. I just need to embed here. So display as an icon. Now you can see cannot be insert the object. I have not opened that Excel file. I am not open anywhere this that supporting file, but still it is not working. How to enable that? So for that you can go to file, go to options, and options go to advances. Down advances just go down. So if you go a little further down, so you can see here display options for this workbook. So particularly we are talking about the book 2, where if you can see here for the for object shows nothing, hide objects. So this is the option, it is enabled here. That's the reason it is not the file is not embedded. We're unable to embed in the Excel file. If we change it to all here, just click OK. Now let me try now to embed the file. Objects, file, browse. This is the monthly sales file. Icon, display icon. See, now the file has been. So let me try to open it. See, you can open the file. See, this is the sales file. Let me close it. So sometimes particular file or Excel file we not able to embed. For that, go to file, options, advances. Just keep going down. I think we came a little further. Yes, I feel we just missed that one. Yes, here. This is the option, display options for this workbook. So always click on the all where the object shows. So in that case, if when you select this all, automatically any other files can be embedded, not only Excel, Word document or email attachment or PDF. Any other files we can able to easily embed to a particular file. Hope- I hope this session was helpful. Do let me know for any other things. I'll try to create a video on it. And thank you for your time.